You ever have one of those weeks where every day feels the same? Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. Your to-do list keeps growing, but your energy keeps running out. You call it a busy week, but somewhere deep down, you know it's more than that. It's not just your schedule that's full. It's your mind. It's your heart. You've been carrying so much, expectations, deadlines, emotions, that you forgot what it feels like to breathe. Take a moment, right now. Close your eyes. You don't owe the world constant productivity. You owe yourself peace. Because being busy